Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the world as we know it. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is revolutionizing various industries. And while music is no exception, AI is rapidly changing how music is created, produced, and experienced. Sophisticated algorithms can now compose original pieces of music. They can even mimic the styles of famous composers. This has opened up exciting possibilities for musicians and music lovers alike. AI is also changing how music is produced. AI-powered software can mix and master tracks with incredible precision. This saves musicians countless hours of studio time. AI is also making it easier for people to discover new music. Streaming services use AI to analyze listening habits. They then recommend songs and artists that listeners might enjoy. The rise of AI in music has sparked a debate. Some people believe that AI will make human musicians obsolete. They fear that AI-generated music lacks the emotion and creativity of music made by humans. Others view AI as a powerful tool for human musicians. They argue that AI can help artists overcome creative blocks and explore new sounds. AI can also make music production more accessible to people without formal training. The reality is likely somewhere in between. AI is unlikely to replace human musicians entirely. However, it is already changing the way music is made and experienced. The future of music will likely involve a close collaboration between humans and AI. AI has the potential to enhance music creation in many ways. For example, AI can help musicians generate new ideas. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of musical data. They can then identify patterns and suggest new melodies, harmonies, and rhythms. AI can also help musicians create custom soundtracks for videos, games, and other media. AI-powered software can analyze the emotional tone of a scene and generate music to match. Furthermore, AI can make music production more efficient and affordable. AI-powered mastering software can produce professional quality results at a fraction of the cost of traditional mastering studios. This is making it easier for independent musicians to get their music out into the world. The use of AI in music also raises important ethical questions. One concern is the potential for AI to be used to create counterfeit music. AI could be used to create songs that sound exactly like the work of popular artists without their consent. Another concern is the potential for AI to perpetuate existing biases in the music industry. For example, if AI algorithms are trained on datasets of mostly male-produced music, they may be more likely to generate music that sounds masculine. It is important to address these ethical concerns. We need to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically in the creation and distribution of music. As AI continues to evolve, it will be fascinating to see how it shapes the future of music.